In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swiftly open Microsoft Word using the run command in just about 5 minutes. This might seem like a rather simple trick, but it's incredibly handy, especially if you're someone who loves shortcuts, or if you find yourself in a situation where your usual methods are unavailable. Let's dive right into this streamlined process that eliminates the need for navigating through menus or searching for the application icon on your desktop. Now, the first step in this process is to bring up the Run dialog box. This is a very straightforward operation. You're going to use your keyboard for this. Simply press the Windows key and R together. For those who might not be familiar, the Windows key is the one with the Windows logo found on most keyboards, usually located between the Ctrl and Alt keys on the left side. Pressing these two keys simultaneously, the Windows and R will pop open the Run dialog box right on your screen. It's a small window, but don't underestimate its power. This little box is your gateway to accessing features and applications quickly. Moving on to the next step, once the Run dialog box is open, you're going to type in a specific command to launch Microsoft Word. The command is short and sweet. Type in WinWord. That's WINWORD without spaces. With WinWord now typed into the Run dialog box, you're nearly there. To finalize this action, you simply press Enter, or if you prefer using your mouse, you can click the OK button, which you'll find in the dialog box. Both actions will execute the command you just typed. Now, after hitting Enter or clicking OK, if Microsoft Word is installed on your computer, it will open automatically. It's like magic, but better, because you did it with a keyboard shortcut. This is particularly useful if you're working with multiple applications and need to open Word quickly without disrupting your workflow. It's a time saver and a neat trick to add to your digital toolkit. Let's take a moment to appreciate the simplicity and efficiency of using run commands. They can significantly enhance your productivity by reducing the number of steps needed to launch applications or access settings. Remembering a few of these commands can really streamline your computer use, and WinWord is just the beginning. There are many more commands out there for different applications and features. It's also worth noting that this method of opening Microsoft Word works with various versions of Windows, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Whether you're using an older version of Windows or the latest, the steps remain the same. Windows key plus R, type WinWord, and press Enter or click OK. What's great about learning this particular shortcut is that it not only makes you more efficient, but also expands your understanding of how to navigate Windows in ways you might not have known before. As you become more comfortable with run commands, you'll start exploring other commands, further enhancing your productivity, and possibly even resolving technical issues faster. Moreover, acquainting yourself with shortcuts like this can be incredibly empowering, especially for those who may not consider themselves tech savvy. It's a small step towards mastering your computer, towards making it an extension of your workflow rather than an obstacle. In closing, never underestimate the power of a good shortcut. Today we've just scratched the surface with WinWord, but I encourage you to explore further. In the world of technology, efficiency is key and knowledge is power. By adapting these small efficiencies into your daily routine, you're not just saving time, you're also developing a deeper understanding of the tools you use, which in turn makes you more capable and confident in your digital interactions. Thank you for joining me on this quick tutorial on how to open Microsoft Word with the Run command. Whether you're drafting documents, jotting down notes, or preparing a manuscript, knowing how to quickly jump into Word can make all the difference. Happy writing, and see you in the next video with more tips and tricks to enhance your tech savvy.